Lipobound is being sold as some kind of game-changing, fat-burning liquid, promising to curb your cravings, balance your blood sugar, and help you melt fat effortlessly. Oh, and apparently it does all this without any stimulants or harsh chemicals. Sounds amazing, right? A little too amazing, honestly. They say it's plant-based and effective. They throw around ingredients like broccoli sprout extract, SIS quadrangularis, pine pollen, acetyl L-carnitine, beetroot, and glucomannan. Sure, a few of those might have general health perks like supporting metabolism or gut health, but none of them are proven to actually burn fat on their own. Best case, they might slightly support your overall health if you're already eating right and exercising. Worst case, they do absolutely nothing except drain your wallet. The truth is, this isn't some groundbreaking product. It's just another version of a bunch of other failed supplements like Vita Burn Drops or GlycoPure. Same formula, different label. If you check their website, the reviews are glowing, but they're clearly fake. You can't even leave your own review, which is a major red flag. And those FDA mentions, totally misleading. The product isn't approved by the FDA because the FDA doesn't approve supplements in the first place. Saying it's made in an FDA registered facility doesn't mean it's been tested or endorsed in any meaningful way. If that wasn't enough, they use all the classic scam moves: fake countdown timers, made up discounts, and flashy marketing designed to rush you into buying. The site tries to make you feel like it's a limited time miracle, but it's really just slick advertising. So yeah, Lipobound is definitely not the miracle it claims to be. It's another overhyped product built on marketing, not science. If you're serious about losing weight, the things that actually work are the ones we've always known: eating real whole foods, moving your body consistently, staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, and seeking professional guidance if needed. There's no shortcut, no magic drop, and certainly no product that will melt fat without effort. Don't let hype take advantage of your goals. Focus on what's proven to work.